Hi everyone, in this video training, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on localhost using XAMPP in 5 simple steps. Let's dive in. Well friends, open up your browser and type XAMPP download. Hit enter and here see the first link. It says download. Click the first link and it will bring us here on the XAMPP download page. From here you can download XAMPP for Windows. And go down here, you can see the latest version for XAMPP server. Click this download button and it will start downloading automatically. And here you can see XAMPP server is downloading. Okay, the download is complete. Now access the download folder just clicking here. Click here. Well friends, here you can see XAMPP server installer file. Just right click on it and hit run as administrator. And click yes, and here click OK. I'm going to click next. Click next, and from here you can select the installation directory. It will by default installed in the C drive, but you can change from here. Just click over here. You can select any drive or any location to install it. I'm going to cancel it and leave it default. Again hit next. Select English, click next, and it's installing. Okay, the installation process is complete. Now hit this allow button and click finish, and it will open the XAMPP control panel automatically. Here you can see we have Apache, the web server, MySQL, the database, and FileZilla, but we need Apache and MySQL. So here you can see start button, click start, and it is green. That means Apache is working fine. And click this button to start MySQL database and hit allow. Now you can see Apache and MySQL is running smoothly. So we could successfully download and install XAMPP server. As we are going to install WordPress, we need to create a MySQL database. Okay, so open up your browser again. This time type http://localhost. Hit enter and you will be sent here. And on the top here you can see phpMyAdmin. Just click over here to create a database. Now here you can see localhost/phpMyAdmin. And this is the interface to create any database. And on the left here you can see new. Click on new. And here you can see databases and enter your database name. I'm going to name it themescode.db. On the right here you can see create button. Click create button. And here you can see themescode.db database is created. Okay, that's fine. Well friends, now let's download the WordPress CMS zip file. Okay, open a new tab and type WordPress. Hit enter. And below here you can see download WordPress link. Click over here. Here you can see get WordPress. And below download WordPress 6.9.4. Click over here and it will download WordPress automatically. Here you can see WordPress is downloading. Now here you can see WordPress zip file download is complete. Now click here to show in folder. And here you can see our WordPress zip file. Now here you can see the WordPress zip file. So let's install WordPress. Okay, to install WordPress, I'm going to right click on it and select extract here. Now I have got a extracted folder. If I go inside it, I will find all the files related to WordPress. Okay, get back, and to install, I'm just going to copy this folder and I'm going to navigate to the folder where I installed XAMPP. I have installed it on the C drive, so click C drive and here you can see XAMPP. Click over here and here you can see htdocs. Click on it and here under XAMPP and htdocs, I will have to paste the folder. Now here you can see it's got the folder called WordPress. Okay, I'm just going to rename this folder because it will be the website name in our localhost computer. I'm going to rename it to new site. Here it is. So now our folder's name is new site. If I go inside it, I can see the WordPress files and folders. Now open up our browser and again type https localhost, then add / and our website folder name. It was new site. So I have added / and the new site after localhost and hit enter. Okay, fantastic. Here you can see WordPress installation interface. From here, I'm going to select language. I like English United States and hit continue. And here it says we'll need a database name and database username, password, database host, etc. Okay, friends, do you remember we created a database earlier? And here it is. We created this database. It is themescode DB. I'm going to copy the name. Now come over here. Okay, we have all of this. Hit let's go. Okay, I'm going to paste the database name and user is always root and password field will be empty and database host is localhost and table prefix leave it default. Okay, hit this submit button. And all right, Sparky, hit this run the installation button. Finally, welcome. Here, enter your site title, themescode, username, admin. I'm going to enter a password. I'm going to check this confirm weak password. I'm going to enter my email. Okay, friends, finally, hit install WordPress button. Success! Congratulations! We could successfully install WordPress our local server. Okay, now let's access the dashboard of our WordPress website. Okay, to access the dashboard, here you can see localhost and new site. This is the site name and add wp-admin. Hit enter and here we are. Here I'm going to enter my username, that is admin. I'm going to enter the password. Hit login. Excellent. Congratulations. Welcome to WordPress. We could successfully download and install WordPress. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Hope to see you again with a new video. Bye bye.